Now, a website would be pretty boring if it had no images on it, right? So, in this lesson, we are going to learn how we can add images to our website using the image element. Now, this is what it looks like. It's pretty simple. The main component of an image tag that renders the image is this attribute, which is called source. And what this does is it tells the image element what is the source of the image, and that's why after the equal sign the value is going to be the location of the image. One last thing to notice about the image tag is unlike the anchor tag, it doesn't have a closing tag. Instead, it is a self-closing tag, also known as a void element. The other attribute for an image tag that's super important and one that you should always have is the alt attribute, and the alt attribute stands for alternative text description. This is really important because people who are blind or visually impaired, they don't look at the internet the same way we do. So let's get on to the exercise, and here I have opened my image elements folder. So personally I'm a great fan of Imran Khan. First let's go ahead and create our H1. Our H1 has been created, and then we are going to create our image. Remember, we create an image tag and it's a self-closing tag, and we are going to put our URL right inside there in between. So we have put our URL inside there, and then we are going to write down our alt attribute, which is very compulsory. So we have created our alt attribute. It is a good idea to always add an alt tag to describe our image when we can. Now we create an image tag for the second URL also. So copy the URL and paste it inside in between. We are going to paste it in between there. And add our alt tag. And now take a look at our preview. So here is the preview. That's the preview of our image element. So I hope you manage to achieve either of these goals, and once you are ready we can head over to the next lesson.